Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on TIA. TIA has recently broken out the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And you can see that after the breakout, it is still struggling to break out this very long-term resistance of $2.65. You can see that for the past several days, the price is getting rejected again and again by this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members, and so far this move has produced almost 20% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of September, 22nd of November, 2023 with my members, almost a week ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see after the completion of this leg, it was slightly moved up. You can see that this buying range or buying zone was starting from $2.28 and goes to $2.13 that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the cipher pattern. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line for some correction and re-enter inside this buying zone. Then we can expect the next price reversal from here. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line once again, after some correction, re-entered this buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal, and so far you can see it has rallied almost 20% and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see that here we have a quite strong and long-term support here at $2.22, and you can see that the price line has been testing the support for several days, but did not break it down. And the next resistance is here at $2.46, and we broke out this resistance. In fact, when we broke out this symmetrical triangle here, by the way, the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle was here as per this trend line. The target was here. That was approximately at $2.75. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line has so far rallied up to $2.68. And it is very close to hit this target, but again dropped down at the previous resistance of the triangle. And now it is retesting this level as a support. And after a successful retest, I'm expecting that it can make another attempt to break out these two very significant and major resistance levels. One is at $2.46, and you can see for the past several days, this level is working as a resistance. If I remove this trend line, then it will be more visible for you. You can see we got several ejections here and another ejection here as well. And after that, our next major resistance will be here at $2.65. And you can see that previously the price line was rejected by this resistance here. Here we had a fake out, but the price line again moved down. And here we got stable ejections once again. Therefore, once the price line will be able to break out the resistance of $2.65, then it can be flipped into a strong and long-term support for the price line, and it can continue its rally to the upside for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.